bad memories, so I'm going to do that. All right, first question. How did you find out about Swim Carefree?
So my husband, his old pool, he actually worked with Swim Carefree, and so whenever we came over here, he wanted to kind of go with y'all for our pool cleaning, but I think y'all became separated that, and so I think he got a piece of mail, and he was like, let's do it. So that's how we found out about Swim Carefree and went with y'all.
Awesome.
So.
How satisfied are you with our ability to help you decide on material selection?
I'm very satisfied whenever you came and we put everything in the pool, so that was nice to actually see it with the water.
And how does it compare to reality versus what I showed you in person? Because sometimes the samples don't look as good as what it's going to look like in the pool, and so were you more happy with how it ended up looking versus the sample, like the plaster, or?
No, I think it came out really, I'm a glitter girl, so as long as it's shiny, it catches my eyes, so I think it came out great.
Good. How satisfied are you with our ability to answer any questions during the whole process?
Very. I love that you guys have a text feature, because I am a text girl. And you guys have answered all of our questions in a very timely manner, so
Awesome.
Appreciate it.
Awesome. Would you recommend Swim Carefree to friends and family?
Yes, I actually already have.
Oh, that's good. Short and sweet. And out of 5 stars, what would you rate Swim Carefree?
5.
Awesome. Thank you.